Good afternoon, everyone. Adam Holder here from Nedlaw Living Walls. Welcome to another edition of Friday FAQ here at Nedlaw. So last week we talked about putting together a new building that hasn't been built yet, and kind of the things that you need to look for and think about before you put a living wall in. Well, this week I wanted to talk about buildings that are already built and spaces that are already in existence that are either being retrofitted, or you might just have a big blank wall that you want to add some life to. So equally important with an existing structure is to make sure that you're assembling a proper design team with architects, engineers, plumbers, contractors that can survey your site and make sure that the living wall that you're considering putting in is actually going to fit into the space, is sized properly for the space, and can receive all of the connections that it needs in an efficient way. That's one of the pitfalls that we run into when we work with existing buildings. If you get too far ahead in the process, in the design, and you're really happy with the size of the wall and where it's going to go, and then you find out later that you can't get water to it, or that the structure isn't sound enough to support the weight of the wall, you're going to run into some serious headaches and problems. So it's best to get all this ironed out right from the beginning so you don't run into these issues. So like I say, best thing you need to do is pick up the phone and call a designer, a living wall designer such as Nedlaw, to help you through the process and make sure you don't have any headaches. I want to thank you for taking the time here again this afternoon. Once again, I'm Adam Holder from Nedlaw, and have a good weekend.